Hello everyone, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokonda. Today we will be learning about rounding whole numbers. Today our objective will be understanding how to round numbers to any place value using your knowledge of place value. So first, let's start off with me showing you some problems, doing some problems. So the instructions state that round the following to the nearest hundreds place. So to find the rounding to the nearest hundreds place, we need to know the tens place number. So let's underline the tens place number in each of the numbers. Each tens place digits, sorry. Okay, so over here it's 5. Here it's 6, and here it's 1. Okay, so now let's do the first one. 657. So this problem is pretty easy. So all you need to do to find the to round to the hundreds place is like pay close attention to the tens place digit. So the rule is that if the tens place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then it would be the answer would be the rounding would be to the next hundreds place. So this one, hundreds place, is 600. So if it's greater or equal to 5, then it would be 700. So it is 5. So that means our rounding would be approximately. Just put the approximately symbol because we're rounding it. Alright, 700. So let's write 700 here. Now let's do the second one. 760. This is pretty much the same too. But now let's do it a different way. Let's use a number line. So as you can see, this number line starts at 700 and ends at 800. And now let's find 760 in this number line. It's right here. Now take a look. Is it closer to 800 or is it closer to 700? Well, obviously, it is closer to 800 because there's only 1 in between here and there's 2 here. But this is not as mathematical. So this way, using this way, is actually much better than doing this. And this also takes a lot of time because you have to draw a number line. So now, let's go ahead and write 800 over here. That's our answer. Now let's do the final question. This one is not much different, but is a bit different because the first digit is in thousands place. So now I'm gonna do the first way, the one using the number 5. This one, the number is 1, the digit. So is it greater than 1? I mean greater than 5, equal to 5, or less than 5? Well, obviously 1 is less than 5. So it would round to 2,900. So let's go here and write 2,900. Okay, now, why don't you guys pause this video and try this? Round each of these numbers to the place of the underlined digit. So pause this video and try them out. Did you get the solutions? Well, now I'll show you how to do it so you can check if it's right or not. So now let's do the first one. 7,827. We're rounding it to the hundredths place because the tenths place because the tenths place is underlined. So now, let's see. Our number is 7,827. So 2, let's see. Is 2 greater, equal to, or less than 5? Well, obviously, if you draw a number line or something, you'll know, or you'll already know that 2 is less than 5. So our answer here would be 7,800. Let's put that right here. Let's do the next one. Here, we're rounding it to the thousandths place. So now, this one's going to be a lot different than the other ones we did. So now, let's take a look. The digit here, 6, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 5? Well, it's the same thing. It's greater than 5. It's basically the same thing. You don't have to do anything much different, like I said. So our answer here would be 5,000 because 6 is greater than 5. Let's write that right here. Let's do the next one. 9,822. We're rounding it to the hundredths place. So this is the one we're going to look at, 2. So 2 is obviously less than 5. And that would mean our answer is 9,800. Let's go back here and write it down. 9,800. Now let's do the final question on this list, which is 23,996. Whoa, that's a huge number. But it's still the same thing. We're doing the same thing all over again. So we're rounding it to the thousandths place. So we need to look at this number. Is it greater, equal to, or less than 5? Well, obviously 9 is greater than 5. So it would go to the next thousandths place. So that would mean our answer is 24,900. What did I just do? Okay, not 900. Our answer is 24,000. That's it. So let's go back here and write 24,000. That didn't come out so well. Okay, anyway, did you get all of them right? Well, comment down in the comment section and tell me how many of them you got right. Well, if you still don't get the point of these, then just practice them a little bit more. It'll be pretty easy. Now, let's do one final question. So, list 3 numbers greater than 4,000 that round to 4,000, and list 3 numbers that are greater than 4,000, again, but round to 5,000. So don't get confused, because this is pretty much the same thing, just a different type of question. So what we're doing is we need to figure out 3 numbers that are greater than 4,000 and that round to 4,000. And we need to figure out 3 numbers that are greater than 4,000 but round to 5,000. Well, it does sound confusing, but it's not as confusing as it sounds. So why don't I just go ahead and show it to you guys? So first, let's draw a number line. Okay, now let's take a look at this number line. It starts off with 4,000 and ends with 5,000. So now, we need to find 3 numbers that round to 4,000 and 3 numbers that round to 5,000 in this number line. So let's divide it into half first. So let's say 4,500 has to be somewhere here. So let's draw a line. Oh, sorry about that. It went over the 0. Right there. Okay. So now, most likely, the numbers on this side are going to round to 4,000. The numbers on this side are going to round to 5,000. But let's not do it that way because that'd be, I guess, a bit too easy. So, like I said, any number equal to or greater than 5 has to equal to this, 5,000. Well, yeah, I'm talking about the hundreds place number. So now, if it's less than 5, then it will equal to this. So just draw an arrow mark so we remember what's happening. Okay, now let's see. Let's do 4,200. It rounds to this. So let's draw a list and let's put 4,200 on the 4,000 side. And let's do 4,100 would probably be right here. So I'm just gonna write it here and let's write it on the list. 4,100. Let's do one more number. So let's do 4,350. Probably be somewhere there. 4,350. Okay, now let's do something that rounds to 5,000. 5,800, which is right here. 4,800, sorry, not 5,800. Just slipped through my mouth. Okay, and then let's do 4,710, probably be right there. 4,710. One more number. I'm gonna do 4,500, which is here. 4,500. Okay. 4,500. Did you get the right answers? Well, I don't know, because I can't give you every single possible answer, because there'd be hundreds, obviously. But if you got anything greater than 4,500 or equal to 4,500 on the 5,000 section, and if you got anything less than 4,500 on the 4,000 section, that means you got it right. Well, if you did, great job. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If this video helped you out, please like and share. And please subscribe to our channel.